Today we're going to show you how to run a text-to-pay sale with 360 payments in your Stocktrac software. So from the main menu, you want to choose a job that you want to charge. Inside the job, you want to go up to the Finish tab. And then in the billing, choose Edit and go down in Text-to-Pay and Send Payment Link. Then their number should be in here and you just click Send. And then it'll notify you that the message has been sent. The customer will then receive a text message with a link, and they just click on that link. It'll open up and show their invoice, and they click Pay Invoice. Then the customer will enter their name and credit card information. Along with the billing information for that credit card, and click Pay. They will then receive a confirmation it's been paid, and they will also get another text message that it's been paid. Back in the software, when you go back into that job, it will then show up as being paid, and we'll give you a notice it's been paid. Thanks for watching.